number 318, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield County, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland and Westchester, and New York Harbor. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.